Yay!
Ano pakiramdam?
Happy birthday, bro. Sana maging coach ka na sa pickleball and pro player ka na.
Happy birthday, Coach. Oh, tingnan mo yung anak-anakan natin. Sana maging pro player ka na and matutulog na kami. Good night. Happy birthday.
Tanda ka na.
Happy birthday, bro. Thank you for always taking care of Julia and Robin. Sana magkita tayo soon and hopefully makainom naman tayo at makapagkwentuhan ng matagal-tagal. Ingat kayo.
Happy
birthday, Koji! I can't believe you're 30 now. Welcome to the club. Gore na ka.
Yeah, you know, they say 30 is the new 20, so enjoy your adulthood. Sending you lots of love from here in Singapore.
We'll see you guys again the next time we're all on the same island.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello, Koji. So, it's your big day. What can I say? On your 30th, look back and learn, then move forward. And enjoy your day. Hope someday you can come and visit us here with Julie and Robin. Ciao!
Hi, Betsy. Happy birthday. Hope you have a really good one, surrounded by the people you love. And I hope everything is well. I'm so proud of you both with Julia. And you, I'm sure you're an amazing papa to Robin. I hope to see you both soon, and we'll have another reunion. And yeah, you guys are always free to come to France. You always have a home with us. So yeah, just wanted to wish you happy birthday, sending you all my love, our love, and mwah to you three, and have an amazing day.
Hey bro, happy birthday. I hope you had a good one, and I hope you enjoy the best of life. Cheers.
Koji, remember, lagi mong tatandaan, ang mahalaga ay importante. Ang naglalakad ng matulin, late na. Pagkahaba-haba man daw ng posisyon, traffic pa rin. Laging magdasal. Blessed are the cross-eyed, for they shall see the kingdom of God twice. At the end of the day is night. He who laughs last is slow. Happy birthday at higit sa lahat, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Koji. When I met you, shota ka pa. Tapos naging asawa ka. Tapos naging ama ka. So, happy birthday, and may you have more birthdays to come. Take care of Julia and take care of your son, okay? Sige. Good health to you.
Go.
Happy birthday, Koji.
Hey Coach, happy birthday. Age 3 ka na. Anyway, enjoy your day. Have a long, happy, healthy, successful, good life, babe. Take care. Love you.
Hi, Koji. Happy birthday.
Birthday na, Koji?
To 30. Thank you, Koji, for taking care of my daughter. Love you.
Wala guys ya.
Huwag kang magbago. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach! Ingat palagi dyan.
Okay, God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday, Koji! Kuya Koji. Kaning Koj, happy birthday! Thank you for being there for Julia all the time. Thank you for Robin. Thank you for cooking yummy food for us. And just thank you for being you. See you soon, hopefully. Bye! Bye!
Yo bro, happy birthday. Best wishes. Sorry I'm doing this while I'm driving. I had a lot to do today bro. Pero para makaabot, kaya ako na yan. See you 30. Ready ka na sa mga katawan mo. Sundan mo na rin si Robin habang bata pa. See you soon man. Wish we were with you.
Hi Jet, happy birthday. Welcome to 30s. So, wishing you a good health and more blessing to you and to your family. So, sana uwi na kayo para pickable tayo. Yun lang, ingat kayo palagi. God bless.
Iho, ikaw ba si Kulantropos? Si Kulapaw? Happy birthday. Enjoy na lang. Tagay mo na. Gaga.
Hi, bossing! Happy birthday! Happy 30th birthday! Labas sabihin ko. But, I'm a fan of your mindset, alam mo yan. But never your bullying skills. Sana hindi siya mamanan ni Robin. Anyhow, I miss you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Happy birthday, Coach.
Happy birthday, Kuya Koji.
Welcome to the 30s Club.
Ito ba?
Oh, 30 na si Koji. Wish namin na marami ka pang birthday and sana bless ka ni Lord.
Yes, God bless you. Take care.
Take care.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday, Yuma.
Oh, Yuma. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Buhatin mo pa kami sa balo. Thank you.
Okay. Hello po. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang kaarawan dumating. Swerting ka sa iyong buhay. Pagpalain ka ng Panginoon Diyos.
Hi Koji, happy birthday sa pogi kong anak. Wish ko sa iyo good health, happiness forever. Tsaka good luck sa career mo. Ganyan lang. Bye-bye. Happy birthday uli. Love you. Love Daddy.
Happy birthday, Koji. I love you. I would just want to let you know that I'll always be here for you and your family. And today, your birthday, I wish you good health, success, and happiness. I hope you'll have the happiest birthday ever as you celebrate it with Julia and Robin and your new found family there abroad. I love you.